Oh, it took a while to read the signs, but she used to be a friend of mine. Leading forward but fell behind. Loneliness redefined. Over and over, but I hope for happiness is all you know. But I can't help but holding on. Silence is never golden. Quietly stuck in the moment. I'm not over you. I'll be.
He's gone to sleep, hasn't he?
Lonely. Silence ain't golden.